Hello folks, and welcome to Chris All Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Not sure if you can hear, this is already running. Kickstart, I can't kickstart and hold the camera even on a 50 like this, unfortunately folks. I don't want to risk dropping anything, camera or bike, so I've started the video controversially, started it with the engine running. So here we go folks. How good does that sound? It does start first kick, it starts lovely, absolutely lovely. So what I'm going to do, now we've had that running, look at that. Now we've had that running, I'll tell you exactly what it is. So this is a 2012 Honda CB50 V-DREAM. Registered 2012, I believe these were all made in like 97 through to 2000 I believe. If memory serves me correct, I'm sure someone will correct me if I'm wrong there in the comments below. But yeah, this one's registered 2012. It's done 1,440 miles. So absolutely pristine bike. What else has it got going on for it? Oh, it's got new tyres fitted and a uprated CDI and de-restricted carburetor, I believe. Yeah, it's got a de-restricted kit fitted to it and an uprated CDI, so should go a little bit quicker than the standard ones. So like I say, it's Honda CB50 V-DREAM. It's not an R, we've got an R just here actually. That's the R, which has all the HRC internals with 444 of them made worldwide. This is the standard Dream, so this is road registered. Absolutely super collectible, absolutely lovely bikes. In fact, I've just sold one to a gentleman out in Australia and we're shipping that out to him tomorrow I believe. So that's at time of filming of course. So I've got some paperwork, keys, etc. We'll go through that in a minute, but yeah, let's just have a cheeky walk around this bike. As you'd imagine, it's absolutely immaculate, and like I say, tyres are brand new. These literally are brand new tyres, still got all the knobbles on them. You know, there's not a mark on that. Lovely plate, you know, even at the bottom of my Dream machine. Across there, nice seat, lovely, absolutely gorgeous colour scheme. The silver over the red, really nice. Standard exhausts, just a real nice looking bit of kit. And like I say, these are super collectible. I think it's because they're so compact and good looking. You know, you can put that in the corner of your conservatory and it won't take up too much space and looks absolutely fantastic. Little 50cc motor. Like I say, even those clocks are showing 2318, that's in kilometres, so I've just done a quick calculation in my head and it works out about 1400 miles. And yet again, front tyre is new as well. But what a lovely, lovely bike. They really are nice, these. Okay folks, there you go. That's just a quick walk around that CB50 V-DREAM. Like I say, paperwork wise, let's just start over. I've got a spare key, loads of documentation for parts, you know, like the uprated kit and stuff, the cylinder kit and what have you, and old MOTs, that kind of stuff going on there. So with regards to this bike, the bike will be supplied with a full MOT. It will go through the workshop for a full check over prior to coming out, and it will also come with a warranty with ourselves as well. I can offer zero deposit finance on this vehicle. I can offer nationwide or international delivery. As I've already said, we're shipping one out to Australia, and we can also look at a part exchange as well. But it's such a pretty looking bike, that really is. If you're a collector, you know, you've got to have one of these in your arsenal, as it were. So with regards to this bike as well, if you want to know how much this particular example is, there is a description below with a price and also a link to our website as well. where you'll find a load of photos in high definition of this particular vehicle. So if you want to know anything else about this bike, give me a call, 01302 760 967, or you can email me, chrishallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Alternatively, as always, if you fancy coming and having a look at this bike and you live more than 10 mile away, always give me a call before you set off to look at it, just to make sure the bike is in stock and available. Such a pretty bike. Other than that, folks, I'm going to sign off. Don't forget, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, tick that bell for notifications. I really do appreciate the support, and remember, the kettle's always on. Yeah, good looking bit of kit that. So yeah, if you're passing Doncaster, pop in, have a brew, come and say hello. Other than that, folks, thank you very much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Hope to see you all very soon. Cheers.